Welcome to another edition of
Behind the Drywall. So today we're here at Southtown and we're working on an outdoor project. So we wanted you to come in and take a look and see what we're doing. And there's been a lot of interest and acceleration in outdoor projects. We all know why. We've been spending a lot more time outdoors in the last year and a half. We don't need to go into that. We're going into the happy stuff, and this is what we're doing in one house. So come on in, take a look at what we're doing.
On in. So here we have kind of a horseshoe-shaped house, and there was an existing slab here. It's an old wooden structure. The slab was poured to where it didn't slope, so water would collect everywhere. The structure was falling apart.
It's like a big hole.
It was terrible, and so we wanted something more useful and permanent. So we got our architect involved, and we decided to go with steel, which all of these are steel, boxed structural steel. We actually poured a new slab and sloped it so water wouldn't get in, and then we built this box structural steel framework. There's still more to be done, but we actually let it rust a little bit and then sealed it so it has a little bit of an aged look. On one level above their clear story windows, we actually have a roof that we built to give it some shade, permanent all the time shade. But in each one of these bays here, we're actually installing retractable shades. So we're having custom-made shades that will go all the way across.
So I won't have to do this.
That's right. And then you can individually open and close each bay. So depending on the sun or the weather, this whole thing will be shaded and useful all year round.
And another part of this project was the house is a horseshoe shape. So this was really critical in making it a multi-use space. They're going to cook out here, they're going to relax out here, and it could be at, whatever the season is, and they can enjoy it. The other part of it was the house was not this real pretty sage green that is painted now. There was a lot of cracks and things pretty much throughout the entire home, and also the wood slats that we have right here were very rotted. There's a lot of mold and things.
It's
so
weathered.
we ripped out the ones that were in real bad shape and then put some new ones in, and then did a few stain samples for them, and then they picked this color right here, and it really goes well with the sage green and just really coming together. The colors of the retractable sails that are going to go in are a linen color, so it's a nice canvas, nice and thick, meant for the outdoors, almost like if you were going to a restaurant and you're
Very
sitting
similar.
underneath,
Right.
so it could rain,
It won't matter.
and it won't matter.
Still hang out here and have fun.
Yeah.
I still think my favorite part is how we let the new lights, but how we let the steel rust a little bit before we sealed it, so it has kind of a weathered look, which I think just looks great on in this area of town, which is Southtown here in San Antonio.
Yeah.
So
So all of this had to be done with architectural plans, so it wasn't just, okay, well, we'll just put some here and a bar there and this will come together. I mean, it really has to be pre-planned and then executed. So everything you see here has all been going and planned out,
Yep.
and we're getting close to the home stretch. We also, on the other side of the house, we're not showing you right now because it's just frankly too hot to go over there in a short
it's
amount of
actually
time.
pretty mild for this time of year, but it is
Yes.
still the hot.
It's 85, but it feels like 105. And there's another pergola that we did on the other side of the house. So, and that was a patio that was extended out, new roof, everything. The wood there was all rotted, and so that went away. So now they actually have two
Right.
spaces to go in, and they can enjoy themselves.
There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed this edition and the structure that we built outside. And if you have any other interests or questions, you can follow us on
All the
all that
social
stuff.
media.
It's not really my thing.
Yes, you can follow us, and later we always take these these videos and we'll post them on YouTube. So you can always catch us later on there. You can see all of our other videos that we've done, other behind the drywalls that we've done there too. And we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and then share it with everybody else. Thanks, and we'll see you
Bye-bye.
next time. Bye.